Hey Tara, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and today I had the pleasure of speaking with Nick, who thought you'd be interested in this video I'm about to show you with just some tips that you guys can apply right away to start getting more of that organic traffic and leads coming in. As you can see, we're on your website, which is a Google site, which is definitely better than not having a website at all. But it is important to note that 70% of all organic traffic stems from your website. In order to capture that traffic, you definitely need to make sure that you have a custom site and that you have it optimized for Google so that they can put you in front of your customers, especially being an emergency services company. You definitely want to be positioned in the first place so that you're the first people that they call when an emergency happens. Now, Google does not rank a website based on appearance. They have robots called crawlers that go and index all of your pages and all of your content, looking for keywords that they can index and rank you for and put you in front of your customers. I do see some decent photos before and afters, which are great. Customer reviews are always good, but I'm not really seeing any content on your homepage here. Nor am I seeing, but hold on, let me look. Okay, and I'm not seeing any service pages. Your home page is going to need a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content, or more content if your top competitors have more content. More is always better, and content is key when it comes to ranking. You want 150 words for every keyword that you're trying to rank, and your content needs to be built around buyer intent local keywords. Those are going to be the local keywords from people in your service area that are actively searching for services that you offer. And in an emergency, they're not going to be looking for a business name. They're going to be looking for somebody that can help them in an emergency. So you definitely want to make sure that you're focusing your content around those relevant buyer intent keywords. You want to make sure that you have a separate page for every individual service that you offer, and that you have a separate page for every single service area that you service. So if you do have services outside of St. Louis, you're going to need a separate page for those communities if there's any type of search volume. That way that you can be found in each of those communities for your restoration services when customers search for you. One of your top competitors is St. Louis Cleaning and Restoration. They don't have a great site. These guys will be easy to beat, but they do have the separate pages for each of their services. They are going after some more buyer intent keywords. Unfortunately, these ones are national keywords, so unless you're performing services across country, this wouldn't be the way to go. You'd want to have St. Louis with these keywords or whatever service area you're focused on. They do have more content. So you guys will have to have a lot more content than, than these guys. You're going to need those additional pages for each of your services with unique content on every single one of your pages focused around those keywords. They also do not have any service area pages, so they're missing the boat there, and missing out on a lot of traffic in their service area by not having those pages built. This is Ahrefs. It helps us to analyze how a website performs. This is kind of a false reading for you because Google sites are tied to Google, so they automatically give you a high trust value. You have a 16 rating for your one page. And that's based on your backlinks. So that's a pretty strong backlink to have that high score. Um, Backlinks are very important. So you need to have more backlinks and referring domains than your top competitors. But not all backlinks are created equal. So you need high authority backlinks that are do follows and are related to your industry. You don't have any content, so right now you're not being indexed for keywords and you're not seeing any organic traffic per month. But when we look at your competitor, you can see that they have a domain rating of a 16 and over 700 backlinks. So that goes to show you that not all backlinks are created equal because they have over 700 to your one with the same score. So you need not only more backlinks than your top competitors in every single service area, but also higher quality backlinks. These guys have more pages and more content, so they're indexed for over 400 keywords, and they're seeing over 300 people to their website on average every single month. Um, but they are missing out on quite a bit of traffic because they don't have those service area pages. So in order to beat these guys, you need to work on your content, keywords, and backlinks. Now, the backlink is when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant this website is to your services, the more authority it's going to give you and the more power. And when they are do follows, they will actually share the power of those high ranking sites and help you to rank faster. And then it's important to note that this backlink needs to be tied to the keywords that you want to rank for so that you can rank higher in those keywords and your customers can find you when searching for those services in each of those service areas. And the last thing I want to talk about is this Google Maps section or Google My Business page. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section because 30% of people come directly to the maps and won't go any further. So if you're not in the top 3 for your keywords and in your service areas, you're sending all those leads to your competition. There are a bunch of factors that go into this, but the most important is citations, which is the name of your business, address, phone number, and website, listing those in a bunch of places like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Dex, Yelp, etc. And you need a lot more of those than your top competitors. And when you complete all of these tips that I provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your relevant keywords and service area keywords. We hope that you found this video helpful and would love to get some feedback on what you thought. If you do need help getting any of these tips or any of these things done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching and I look forward to hearing from you soon.